Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. So again, my name is Crisante Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. And I am here again at Villa Castena Subdivision because I have a client who site visited with me and tiningnan nila yung 90 square meter na lot area unit na one-story single attached unit. And nagustuhan nila yung unit, so later on baka mag-reserve na sila. And ngayon, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kasi pag na-reserve yun ngayon, meron pang isang available. And baka magustuhan din ninyo, makita ninyo kung gaano kalaki yung 90 square meter na lot area niya. Alright, so it's a one-story single attached unit. So, puntahan natin. Alright, see you later. Let's go at puntahan natin yung unit. So, from the model house, yan. Ito yung guardhouse. So from the guardhouse, ganito lang siya kalapit, guys. Diyan yung rotunda. Mga one-story duplex units. And yung unit na yun is nasa Block 3. Sa likod nitong function hall. Alright. So ano siya, Block 3, Lot 10 and Lot 9. So titingnan natin yun ngayon. So ito pala yung function hall natin. Dito tayo pwedeng mag-activity with our family if we have activities or occasions and gusto nyo ng medyo malaki-laking area for your activity sa family. This is a good spot for you. Kaysa naman pupunta pa kayo sa labas, dito na sa loob ng Villa Castena. Alright, so puntahan natin yung unit na Block 3, Lot 10 and 9. So ito is Block 13, itong nadadaanan natin ngayon. Next is Block 12. Ayan, Block 12 yan. So yung 13 at 12 is one-story duplex siya. Yung katabi niya is one-story single attached na. Ito yung Lot 11, na reserve na to. Itong Lot 11 has 94 square meter but reserved na siya. And ito yung Block 10 at yung katabi niya is Block 9. Yung opening niya galing sa firewall papunta sa kabilang firewall ng kapitbahay is just same with the other units na may typical lot area na 68 square meter. Alright, so ang kaibahan lang talaga nito is sa parking area is this. When we go inside the unit, this one, as you can see, sobrang laki ng lot area niya kasi ang lot area niya is from here going in that corner, ayan, in this corner, yan, and that ganyan siya kalayo. See, kung nakikita ninyo malayo siya, di ba? This is the reason why 90 square meter yung lot area niya kasi yung backside niya is malaki siya. And sa nakikita ko, pwede kang maglagay dito ng maliit na swimming pool or maggagawa ka ng partition for another room in this area. And sa area na yan, pwede mong lagyan ng dirty kitchen, ayan, or labahan ninyo. Tapos sa area na to, mag-i-extend ka ng wall para gawin mong another room. So malaki siya actually. And yung lot area niya is mas malaki pa kaysa typical lot area ng mga 2-story units natin. Kasi yung 2-story units, it only have 80 square meter, but this one, it has 90 square meter. So ito yun, Block 3, Lot 10, and the other one, Block 3, Lot 9. Yan na lang yung mga natira na malalaki yung lot sizes natin. Alright, so dyan, dito sa likod natin, ito yung function hall, diba? And isa sa magandang makikita natin dito is this one. Look at that, guys, the Iligan Bay. See? So ang sarap manirahan sa location na to. Ilapit natin konti. Ayan. Ayan. So sa ngayon, sobrang hangin. the time is around 12:18. Time check tayo. It's 12:18 in the noon time, but yeah, mainit siya. But since yung hangin is malakas, hindi mo na feel yung sobrang init because of the air. Alright, so ito na yon, and dalawa na lang yung natira. Baka gusto nyong i-avail, and I'm pretty much sure na yung client ko ngayon is kukunin niya ang isa dito. So isa na lang talaga yung maiiwan. In this location, nasa harap ako ng National Road, and yung nakikita nating daan paakyat dyan, yan yung daan papuntang Villa Castena Subdivision. Ito yung entrance at exit. Ito yung National Road, and ang kagandahan dito is maraming mga stores na pwede mong balik-balikan araw-araw kasi as you can see, ayan, may 7-Eleven na, may Botica Isobel, may Madelicious Bake Shop, merong bintahan ng bigasan at saka feeds, merong chicken store, mga lechon manok, pwede mong bilhin dyan. Meron ding food services, may meat shop, may laundry shop, tsaka yung highlight dito is itong Alap Grocery. So ayan, kompleto na talaga pag nakatira ka dito, and ito yung isang reason kung bakit marami talagang gustong tumira dito sa Villa Castena Subdivision, and marami pang mga improvements na paparating dito sa Dalipuga, especially malapit dito sa Villa Castena Subdivision. Sooner or later, dadami din dito yung mga offices kasi yun nga, malapit lang talaga ito sa National Road. So ito yung National Road. From National Road, ang Villa Castena Subdivision is only 750 meters away. Alright, let's move on. And if you want to get one unit here like this, I will give you the details. Just PM me, comment down below. I will gonna PM you back. If you want to have a site visit also, I can also offer a site visit for you. Alright, so I hope na nagustuhan mo yung video na to. Aside from the wonderful place dito sa likod natin is Iligan Bay. So for that, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next videos. Bye bye and God bless.